Welcome to the Best Care Timesheet app. Best Care is committed to providing you with a way to submit your timesheets electronically to avoid interruptions in pay. Best Care's top priority is to ensure the health and safety of caregivers, people we serve, and members of our communities during this event. Once you have created a login and password for the app, you can select Settings in the top left corner. Select Agencies to continue. Your active agencies will be listed here. To add your agency, select the plus sign. Enter your agency's name, phone number, email, and week end day to save your agency. Select Save when you have entered all required fields. Your agency should now appear under Agencies. Make sure to select your agency from the list. You should see a check mark next to your selected agency. If you would like to remove an agency from your list, select Edit. You can now remove unwanted agencies by selecting the red circle next to the agency. You can also reset your agency list. Any agencies without a check mark will be removed. Once you have successfully added and selected your agency, you are ready to start your timesheet. Thank you for watching our Changing Agency Settings tutorial. Please watch our Timesheet app tutorial videos for instructions on how to complete a timesheet using the app.